Whether you are just starting Pitman shorthand or already practicing, these lessons will guide you step by step and keep you inspired on your journey. Welcome to this series on Pitman shorthand learning and motivation. In these videos, I will share simple tips, practical suggestions, and motivation to help you master shorthand effectively. In this lecture, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest reasons why many people fail in learning shorthand. It's not because shorthand is too hard. It's not because they don't have time. The real reason is lack of confidence. Too often, beginners say things like, "Let me try it. Let me see if I can succeed or not." But think for a moment, thousands of students before you have already learned shorthand and have become successful. So why should you doubt yourself? If you cannot say with confidence, "I will succeed," then you may waste both your time and money, not only in shorthand but in any skill that requires focus and study. Now listen carefully. To become a good stenographer is not a super difficult task. It is not something that only a few special people are born with. Shorthand has improved a lot in recent years. It is built on scientific principles, and anyone with normal ability can master it. Think about this. With shorthand, you can write 4 to 6 times faster than you can in normal longhand. Isn't that amazing? So don't doubt shorthand. Instead, tell yourself with confidence, "I will succeed." Remember, many others, no smarter than you, have already done it. And if they can do it, so can you. All you need is belief, hard work, and full focus. Put your heart into it, and you will never fail. That's it for now. Stay tuned for next suggestion.